So I woke up this morning with a really loud noise on my phone. It overrides, I think this emergency alert overrides all sound on your phone and makes it really, really loud. And so I came in Japanese. I had no idea what it was. And then this loudspeaker was playing all throughout the city. And this is a second round. It's one at 7 o'clock in the morning. This one's 7:07. And I translate it with my phone translator. It's a find shelter in a basement. North Korea just launched a missile. Crazy. It's funny, I'm in this beautiful city. I'm in a hotel, kind of a chintzy hotel, but I'm not sure what everybody else is doing. Morning. You see the news? Where, Hokkaido? Yeah, over Hokkaido?
北海道の上。
ああ。おいおいおい。
もう少しで
Close.
もう少しで通過する。
ああ。
もう5時、もう10分ぐらい経ってるから、
ああ。
もうまた通り過ぎてると思うけど。
ああ。
困ったね。
Crazy.
Crazy.
Crazy. It's funny. Nobody else seems to think it's a very big deal. I think he said it was close, right? He said it was close. Anyways. Fun stuff.